Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Me Wow Cat Birthday Stamp Set. This stamp set is absolutely adorable. It's an 11-piece stamp set. You get 4 images and 7 sentiments. You get birthday, schmirthday, what? Dear me, cake coma, if it fits, I sit, and me wow. I'm going to stamp the image out so you can see what they look like on paper. As you can see, they stamp out really nice. The images measure approximately 2¼ inches to 3 inches wide, and then they measure approximately 1¼ inches to 2 inches tall. I did make a quick card to share with you. I used the Me Wow Cat Birthday Stamp Set with the Sprinkle Scallops rectangle and the Mix and Match pattern paper pack. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release, and don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.